Welcome back to Every Other Carl. I'm Carl. Today I'm going to show you how to use this siding mounting kit for an exterior light. So this is the line that's going to go to my exterior light. I have it hooked up to a light switch already. So I just need to find the spot that I'm going to drill through, send it to the outside, and then use that mounting kit to mount the light. So I've got this nice hanging Hampton Bay light. I'm going to install it right here, just like that. So this mounting kit is cut so that it fits right into the siding. They have it in different sizes. They have 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch. I have a 1/2 inch siding. So I know I want it right here. I'm just going to find the center of this space and I'll mark it. So they have different holes here to send the wires through. I'm going to use this one. Just pop that one out. Now that I have that hole popped out, I'm going to put it in my marked spot. Put a pencil right through the middle of it. That's going to be the hole. I'm going to drill a hole right through the wall and send the wire out. All right, I'm going to leave that bit in the hole. Go to the inside. Right here. There it is. Now I'm going to drill a bigger hole to send the wire through. All right, now I'm just going to fill that hole that the wire came through with some exterior caulking. I'm using DAP Dynaflex 230. The kit comes with this cable connector. You just push that into the hole that you popped out, and you'll push your cable right through there. It also comes with these 2 long screws. Those are going to screw right into the wall sheathing and hold this to the wall. I'm going to pull my cable through. And I'm going to pre-drill a couple holes for those screws, the mounting screws. And I'll just screw it right in. Alright, now I'm going to clip my wire to size and install my mounting bracket for the light. I already know the power is off, but it's always a good idea to check. This is a cool little Tessman voltage detector. It'll tell you if the line is hot or not. This one has absolutely no power in it right now. All right, so I cut the excess off, and I'm going to cut some of this casing away from the individual wires so we can hook it to the light. Now I'm just going to strip a little bit of the wires away. All right, I have my cable cut back. I have the ends of the wires prepped, including the ground wire, which is going to hook onto my green screw here. Right now I'm going to mount this bracket onto the box. All right, now I'm just going to hook up the wires. All right, the wires are all hooked up. I'll just slide that light right on and attach it with its 2 little nuts here. All right, I hooked it all up. Light bulb is in. I turned the breaker back on. Let's test it out. Voila. Perfect. This is a super easy install. You could add a bead of caulking all the way around the outside if you wanted to. I didn't because it's under my overhang. I wanted to mention that one of the best things about this Arlington mounting kit is that it functions as a junction box, so you don't need to add an additional electrical box to the wall. I'll add a link to this kit in the description. That's going to do it for this little video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'm Every Other Carl, and I'll see ya.